That's how easy it is to transfer money from Wise to Payoneer. Welcome to another episode of Nitset Vault, and it's been a while. Happy to be back. So anyway, recently I wanted to renew my hosting. I have a hosting account with SSD Nodes. It's a VPS service provider. If you guys have any sites that are getting a lot of traffic and you want to move from your shared hosting to something that is more reliable, that gives you unlimited bandwidth and stuff like that, then you should definitely check out SSD Nodes. They are one of the cheapest VPS service providers, and uptimes, uptimes is just like 99.9%. True story. No, not even advertising for them. But anyway, so it was time for my hosting. It was time for me to renew my hosting, and I'm currently paying $447 for every 3 years. That's about $150 a year. That's a deal I snatched some time back. If you check this guy's website at the moment, you'll see they have lots of offers on the table. So you guys can just go and check them out, and if it's something that you fancy, you can sign up with them. And of course, you can also use the link in the description so that I get some commission. But anyway, so when it was time to renew my hosting, I checked my PayPal account. I didn't have enough money. I also checked my Payoneer card. I didn't have enough money. Then I remembered I had some money on my Wise account. The only problem is that since I'm in a country where Wise is not currently offering credit cards, I couldn't use the money to pay for the hosting. So I thought about it. How about I transfer some Wise money to Payoneer? And after googling around, I found that it's really possible to transfer money from Wise to Payoneer, and this is what this video is going to cover. So anyway, in a nutshell, you want to use Wise. You want to transfer money from Wise to Payoneer for a couple of reasons. First of all, it's fast. Then of course the fees are way cheaper. Of course, since I'm a Kenyan, I can always top up my PayPal account using M-Pesa, but the exchange rates, man, Safaricom is really killing us with the exchange rates. So since I was looking to save a couple of dollars, that's what I'm always looking to do with my online business, I decided to just use the money in Wise and transfer it to Payoneer. So I'll just hop on my computer, open my Wise account, and take you through the whole transaction process. Okay, so there is my Payoneer account, and let me just open Wise so that we can log into the account and transfer some monies. So I've just opened Wise. There's my name, just put the password, it's already saved. Then I click login, and there we go. Of course, I've blurred my personal information just in case, you never know who's watching the videos. So there is the Wise account. You can see I have some money over there. You can see my past transactions. I have a couple of dollars that I can use to pay for the hosting account. So anyway, just click send money. Of course, to do this, you already must have a Payoneer account. So I'm assuming everyone has a Payoneer account. And here you can see they're telling me where I want which currency I need to choose. I've chosen US dollars. And there you can see the exchange rate. They're thinking I'm sending it to Kenya shillings, but of course, since I'm paying hosting, I have to send it in dollars. So I'll just choose dollars. There you see, imagine the fees for sending $500 is just 39 cents. Like, that's really cheap. And you can see it will take about 3 days for it to arrive. That's because it's a weekend. Okay, so let's see. So let's go back to Payoneer. Let's go to continue. And then you have to choose whom I'm sending the money to. I've never done this before, so I'll have to choose someone else. Basically, it's a new person that I'm sending the money to. Of course, it's me, but it's a new transaction. So I'll just input my email. Then when I input my email, they say I already have a Wise account. That's because I have a different Wise account with this email, but of course I want to send to a different account. So I'll put my name over there. Then I'll log into my Payoneer account and get my US banking details. So let's log into Payoneer. There. So like I told you, see I have $0 in my Payoneer account. So I just want to top this account. I'll get to, let me just open, get my account details. I have a couple of accounts under Payoneer. I'll just choose this one. Then I'll get the details. Of course, I've blurred some information over there, but I just need the routing number and the account number, the account type. So there's the routing number. Then I've just copied the account number. I've put it on Wise. Account type, of course, is checking. It's a checking account. Then, of course, my country is Kenya. The rest is just usual stuff. So I just confirm. Yeah, I think everything looks good. Okay, so let me just click confirm. And there, let me see, what are they saying? So they're telling me to review the details for my transfer. You can see I'm sending $500. The fees are 39 cents. My balance afterwards. Then the other stuff, you can see it will. So let me say references for web hosting. Then I just click confirm and send. Oh, value length must be normal. Okay, let me just write something. Yeah, web hosting. Web hosting. Yeah. So confirm and send. Let me see, what are they saying? Oh, okay, enter a password to approve this transfer. Oh, there's an error processing the payment. Please select an alternative payment. Why are they saying there's an error? I don't think there's an error. I think there was some issue with the network, not really an error. Okay, let me just see if there's anything. I think everything looks good. Everything looks good. These are just the other options I can use. So let me just click finish and pay, because I saw there was a network issue. I think that's why it's saying there was an error. So anyway, okay, you never know what happens. So let me just click finish and pay. Enter password. Oh, it's because I remember I didn't enter the password last time, so I've just entered the password. Let me see. Yeah, let me enter the password. Then I've clicked done. Approve transfer using the app. Let me just check my phone. Okay, I've just checked the phone. There's the notification. I'm just approving it. Just a minute. I'm seeing it. Okay, I've just approved it. And well, we can see the transfer is starting. Transfer started. Then I can, of course, always track it. They're saying it should arrive in 3 days. It'll keep me posted, stuff like that. So for now, I'll just have to wait. I think it's taking 3 days to get transferred because it's a weekend, but I'll see. Let me just see if they've sent any emails to me to confirm the transfer. So let me just log into the email linked to my Wise account. Let me see, where is the email? Okay, there you can see. It's sending you $500 with Wise. Reference is web hosting. So there is the email they've just sent. And well, that's that. Let me see the email links to Wise account, what they're saying, whether they've sent the money. So there is this is the email. Let me log in. Okay, let me see. Did they send any email? Okay, I don't see any email from them, but in the recipient email I've seen they've sent me a notification saying that money is coming, so I can track my transfer. Let me see the status of the transfer. So I can see today set up transfer. So it's because it's a Friday, so they anticipate I'll receive the money on Monday, so that's why it's taking like 3 days. I can check other stuff related to the transaction, and basically that's that. So I'll let you know when I receive the money and whether there are any other things that I'll have encountered. Okay guys, so I have another update. It's already Monday and I've just logged into my email and I see I already got the payment. You can see Payoneer, you have received the payment. So this came 2 days ago, but it's only that I'm making this video late, that's why you're seeing it's 2 days ago. But you can see you have received a new payment, $500 sent by Transferwise. That's the payment ID, and basically that's that. So the money came to the account and I'm ready to use it. So, and that's it guys. So if you have an online business, you usually need multiple payments options, just in case your loan funds in one option. So that's how easy it is to transfer money from Wise to Payoneer. If you don't have a Payoneer account, you can just use the link in the description, and when you receive your first $100, you'll get an additional bonus of $25. Also, if you don't have a Wise account, you can sign up using the link in the description and you get your first few transfers for free. And there's also a bonus of £50 when you sign up using the link in the description. And guys, I think that's all for today. I'll catch you in the next video.